Hi and welcome to this channel and this video. And in this video we'll be discussing the entry requirement for the various courses in building sector, civil engineering and architecture. We have already done a number of videos explaining the various skills, knowledge and attitudes that you are supposed to gain during the duration that you'll be pursuing those particular courses. You can check some of the videos in the link shown here or in my video description here. Also remember to leave me a comment if there is a video that you'd like me to make or you have a specific question. I can still answer the question in my comments. Because the courses offered in TVET institution, that is National Polytechnic, Institutes of Science and Technology, the Technical Training Institutes, and the Technical Vocational Centers, the main examining body is the Kenya National Examination Council. We are going to use the Kenya National Examination Council Career Guide and see some of the courses which are offered in the building sector, civil engineering and architecture. If you have not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below and let us now start checking the courses. Here you can see we have a number of courses. We have carpentry and joinery, that is the artisan level, and the entry grade is a Kenya Certificate of Primary School Education, or at least a score of E or D- in the Kenya National Certificate of Secondary School Education, and the course will take 2 years. This course is TEP, that is, you will begin the course, do the first year and the second year, and then you sit for the Kenya National Examination at the end of the second year. Masonry, which is an artisan course, and it has the same entry grade, that is KCP, or a score of E or D- in KCSE. Then next is scrubbing, the artisan level. For the certificate courses, we have carpentry and joinery, the craft level, and the entry grade is D+, which will also take 2 years. Then you have masonry, craft level. Again, the entry grade is D- and it will take 2 years. And one thing I like about these courses, they are usually very practical. You can check my video on prabbing. You see how much time is allocated for practice. Actually, more than 50% of the time is allocated for practice. And here you can check the potential job market. But one thing I would like to clarify is that these courses are TEP, meaning that you join the course, do your first year, do your second year. During that duration, you'll be doing internal examinations. But at the end of the 2 years, you will sit for an external exam which is offered by the Kenya National Examination Council. Then you have a certificate course in prabbing. The entry grade is the same C-, and it will take the same duration of 2 years. There is a certificate course in land surveying, and the entry grade is a D+. It will also take 2 years. There is a craft course in load construction. The entry grade is the same, to take 2 years. You have courses in water sector, the diploma level, and the entry grade is C-. I've already done a video on water engineering, and we said water engineering is one of the subfields of civil engineering. We said in civil engineering you can pursue structural engineering, you can pursue geotechnical engineering, you can pursue water engineering, or you can pursue transport engineering. If you have not watched my video in water engineering, check it on the link shown here. I went through the entire water engineering syllabus. Then you have civil engineering, that is for diploma level. We have highway engineering, diploma level. Architecture, again diploma level. And notice, we also have land surveying, again diploma level. For the diploma courses, the entry grade is C-, and all diploma courses will usually take a duration of 3 years. And you can check the potential job market if you pursue the courses in building sector, civil engineering and architecture here. We also have higher diploma courses. For example, there is a higher diploma in construction, that is building economics. There is a higher diploma course in construction, where you specialize in structures. There is a higher diploma course in construction, where you specialize in building and civil engineering. The entry requirement for higher diploma courses is that at least you must pass your diploma in the respective areas. Here it is indicated 3 years, but higher diploma courses usually take 2 years. Here you have more higher diploma courses. Construction, highway engineering option. You have another higher diploma course. Construction, water engineering option. Surveying and mapping. For higher diploma courses in construction, you need to have a diploma in building technology or a diploma in civil engineering or a diploma in architecture. There is any of those 3 qualifications. You will be eligible to join a higher diploma in all those areas that you have mentioned. If you're interested in pursuing a higher diploma in the water sector, at least you need to have a diploma in water engineering. Again, those courses are TEP. There are some institutions that offer TEP courses. That is, you'll be there for the entire duration, and later, when you're finishing your course, you'll sit for a Kenya National Examination Council, but in between, you'll be doing internal examinations, which you must pass to proceed from the first year to second year. But nowadays, majority of courses are TVET or modular, in that you'll be sitting for Kenya National Examination Council exam at the end of every academic year, and you must at least pass all the papers that you sit, or fail in 1 or 2 papers, so that you can proceed to the next year of study. And if you fail 1 or 2 papers in a particular year of study, you must sit or redo those papers that you have failed before you finish your course, so that you can be awarded your certificate. And actually, most of the diploma courses nowadays are at TEP. For example, diploma in civil engineering, diploma in building and construction, diploma in electrical engineering, diploma in mechanical engineering. Some of them, they are usually TVET or modular, in that you'll be sitting for a next examination in first year of study, second year of study, and third year of study. But we still have some courses that are TEP. We have been in some kind of transition for the last 5 years. Some of the courses are TEP, some of the courses are TVET or modular. Diploma in quantity surveying, we say that one is TEP. You'll be there for the entire 3 years. You'll be doing internal exam in between, but at the end of the 3 years, you sit for a Kenya National Examination Council exam. But for the entry requirements are the same actually. For diploma courses, you need C-. They will take 3 years, and you can always pause the video and check the potential job market here. But I usually do more detailed videos for the potential job market. So this is only a video to tell you the entry grades. And for more details about what you'll be studying in those particular courses, I do specific video for each course. For example, there is a specific video for water engineering. There is a specific video for building technology. There is a video for civil engineering and so on. Now that is the Kenya National Examination Council Career Handbook. We can also check the syllabus, which is designed by KICD or Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, and we see how you can transit from one level to the next. For example, if you have an artisan, where will that artisan take you? After finishing the artisan course in plumbing, you have an option you can join, that is for the certificate in plumbing. The entry requirement is a pass in relevant artisan course. At least if you have a pass in artisan in plumbing, you'll be eligible to join the certificate course in plumbing. Here I have the craft certificate in building technology syllabus. If we check the entry requirement for this course, you see to join this course, you can join this course with a relevant artisan, that is artisan in carpentry or artisan in masonry. If you scored an E or a D-, or you did not join high school and you only have your KCPE results, you can first of all pursue an artisan course in masonry or an artisan course in carpentry, and then with that qualification, you can enroll for a course in craft certificate in building technology, or alternatively, if you scored a D+ in your Kenya Certificate of Secondary School Education, you are eligible to join a craft certificate course in building technology. What if you want to join a diploma in building technology? Here I have the syllabus for the diploma in building technology. You can join this course right from high school That is, if you score a mid grade of C minus, but here the KICD, they are saying C prime, but usually because the examining body is NEC, a C minus is what you need to enroll for this course. Or you have a certificate in building technology. So actually, for diploma courses, the entry grade is C minus. For certificate courses, the entry grade is D prime, and for various arts and courses, you either have your KCPE result or you score an E or a D minus in high school. But in my previous videos, I've explained how expensive it is to score an E or a D minus in high school, because it will take you a total of 5 years to finish your diploma, whereas a student who scores a C minus and above will only take a total of 3 years to finish the diploma. So it's not something that I would encourage you. Even if you are seeing here, there is an option if you score an E or a D minus, work hard in high school. There is no point of spending that extra school fees for the 2 years, and there is no point of wasting 2 years of your life simply because you could not work hard enough to get yourself from an E or a D minus to a C minus and start your diploma directly from high school. But in case you do not manage to get a C minus, a D is okay. It will help you join a course either in certificate in electrical engineering, certificate in mechanical, or certificate in building, plumbing. And these courses are very good because you do a lot of practice, and after finishing the course within 2 years, you can later join the diploma in the second year of study, and only take 4 years to finish your diploma if you have started your studies from the certificate level. On finishing your diploma, you have an option to pursue a higher diploma or to pursue a degree, but I'll make a video for that in future. We can now meet in another video where I'll be expounding more on how you can transit from the diploma level to other levels. I believe I've not wasted your time in this video, and certainly not in the next video.